Okay, we're here today to talk about gas detectors that Endeavour Energy have in the system. We have three types. We have the Ventus, we have the ITX, and we have the Visa. Each one of them come with their own set of instructions. They're all very similar, but there are tiny variations. So a gas detector should be used every time before we enter a trench or a pit. That's Endeavour Energy's excavation procedure. That's GSY 1015. So firstly, we'll turn it on. Just by pressing that green button there, it turns on. It takes about 20 seconds to set up. It goes through a couple of screens, then it will be ready to actually test for a workable atmosphere. Having said that, they ask you to do a bump test every time before use. So what we've got to do to carry out a bump test, we have a test gas cylinder. We've got the tube, the remote sensing tube connected to that. Connect the other side to the Visa detector. Press for 2 seconds the green button. That will turn the pump on, and we wait for it to go into alarm. Okay, so that's it going into alarm. When you take the tube off, make sure you take it off from the gas bottle. If you take it off from the device itself, you will leave gas in there, and next time you go to use it, it will go into alarm. So all I have to do is make sure all the readings are back to an acceptable level, and then I can turn the alarm off by depressing again the green button. Okay, at this point in time, the sensor, the device is right to check the atmosphere in the trench, in the pit, wherever you're working. So Lockie's going to take it over now and just show you how that should be done. To carry out this test, you need to have the pump on the device operating. So that's just depressing the green button for 2 seconds. You can see that Lockie's testing it at various heights. He will do that, and also at various positions. If there's no gas detected, then it's safe to enter the trench. If you need to enter a conduit, you have to do that to Workplace Instruction WNV 1041. So you've windowed that. You need to now drop the sensing tube inside there, leave it in there for 10 seconds. If no alarm goes off, then that's a safe atmosphere as well. What you can do now is actually remove the sensing tube. You can click the detector to your belt. You can clip it to the side of your toolbox, wherever it's in a good position to pick up an unsafe atmosphere for the rest of the day. For more information, you can refer to GSY 1015, which is our excavation course, or contact us here at the training centre.